Sister Wives has been on the air for over a decade, but there are signs that the current season of the series will be the end of the show rather than Sister Wives Season 20, as previously speculated. Sister Wives Season 19, which has recently aired its mid-season finale, has been a fascinating look at the Brown family in a moment of change. After Kody Brown, the family patriarch, lost Christine Brown, Janella Brown, and Mary Brown, he settled back into his life with Robin Brown in hopes he'd be able to lick his wounds from his trio of divorces. Kody's behavior has been erratic and difficult to watch throughout the last 2 seasons of Sister Wives, but his appearance this season has been a bit confusing. Kody and Robin, the only couple left in the once large family, have been doing what they can to maintain a sense of normalcy, while Kody's ex-wives' lives have changed considerably. For Christine, who's already remarried, Janelle, who's lost her son Garrison Brown, and Marie, who's moved away from the family, things have been tough. After 15 years, it's possible Sister Wives and the Brown family have changed enough for the show to end. Sister Wives Season 19's first half ended after 20 episodes. Although Sister Wives Season 19 has been on for a few months, the first half of the season just came to a close in recent weeks. With the family having moved through a moment of change, Sister Wives Season 19's first half covered a lot of terrain. From Kody and Robin finding their new normal to Christine's wedding to David Woolley, the first half of the season brought a lot of turmoil out into the open and made it clear that the family status quo changed. The first half of Sister Wives Season 19 was a whopping 20 episodes long. With so many episodes, Sister Wives Season 19 is likely going to tackle a lot moving forward. Even so, the majority of the first half of the season was dedicated to making it clear where everyone in the family stands. As Janelle and Marie finally left Kody during Sister Wives Season 18's final moments, their lives were re-established at the beginning of this season. Sister Wives Season 19's second half is set for the spring. As Sister Wives Season 19 has moved along, it's been clear that there's a lot of moving parts to bring viewers to real time rather than further back in the family's timeline. The show appears to be doing its best to bring viewers up to speed in order to keep them updated on what's going on with the Brown family. With the difficult circumstances that have surrounded the last year, including the passing of Janelle and Kody's son Garrison, the second half of Sister Wives Season 19 is set to cover more difficult and more current events. Sister Wives may not have another season's worth of content. Although Sister Wives Season 19 appears to be one of the longest on record for the series, it may also come with a twist for the show in being its last. Sister Wives Season 19 will likely be the size of 2 seasons, but with so many things changing for the family in recent months, it could be the end of Sister Wives as we know it. While I'm hopeful that there will be a convenient place to leave things off by the end of the season, it's possible that the Browns will have shared everything they have to give.